So I guess today we're gonna go to Kaneohe side and then see all Blaine's friends. We have a couple people that we want to go see.
Yeah, we have a couple people that we're gonna go meet up with and just catch up with for a little bit. I'm not too sure if we're gonna film it, but if we do, you'll see it. But we're just gonna go ahead and catch up with some old friends of ours. I'm looking for Joe Gavin.
Yeah, the Holly guy.
Yeah, he's
there's
white.
3 Holly Joes. Okay.
There's plenty Holly Joes, bro. Joe's like the most.
No,
even get Joe Boys, cause Joe. Yeah, even get local Joe Boys, bro.
Oh, bro.
Oh, cause it's to the wrong spot. Cool. You good, bro? You're not even in the window. Like in my view.
Well, I'm pretty big, bro.
Yeah. Pretty big. He's pretty big for one small guy. No, he's joking, bro.
This thing is huge. Look at this.
It's pretty cool to see how everybody's builds are like getting more crazy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Back then we was only dealing with K. Yeah, we get a little bit of money now. We could do something. Yeah. Cause I remember we were just tinkering with our KAs and stuff like that, taking them apart, putting them back together. Right. Not really making big power, but we thought it was kind of crazy at the time. Yeah. Just add exhaust, be like, wow, this car feels so much faster now.
Well, I didn't even want a wrench either back then. It would be like, I got a timing chain rattle.
Yeah.
I gotta sell the car, bro.
Yeah. It'd be easier, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, back in those days, it was cheap to do that anyway.
Yeah.
Oh, I used to do all that. Where should I park? Just right is good?
Yeah. There she goes.
Oh.
Right there she goes. So, I mean,
What kit is this? What is there a kit?
I use the LOJ.
LOJ?
Yeah, and I use the Z32 trans. So
Oh, she go with the
Z
Z trans.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing is major. Yeah, Scott was one of the guys that was like, you know, if you know what to do, it don't take much money to build a good car. Because I remember your fastback. I was like, yeah, I only put in like maybe 10 grand to build the whole thing. I was like, no way, because we're over here buying wheels and stuff, you know what I mean? Spending thousands of dollars.
I didn't know that Scott had an LS inside his Zenki.
I told you this. Yeah, it's a LS, man. That's why I said Scott is one of the guys who told me that you can build a car for pretty cheap as long as you do the right things first. But I don't listen. I do all the wrong things first.
Don't worry, this is still here. This is not going anywhere.
This come back, guaranteed.
Oh, there's that big bugger right there.
I don't know. They got the even at that EFI.
It's really that small.
Yeah, it's how small rotaries. This
That's
literally this. Right?
Because this is where the transmission starts, right?
Yeah, it's so simple, and that's why I think it's good slide. I would put this in the 14, bro.
Yeah, you
I
probably
think the
could.
14, like I like turbo this thing too. This thing would be sick turbo.
Oh yeah.
It
Probably
get the
could,
I think it revs up
small?
to like 8 grand, 7 or 85.
I like the sound. They throw these in S13s too, bro.
Yeah, I was gonna put it in
Yeah.
the pickup.
It sounds like rang, 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 rang.
No, this one doesn't bat,
What?
but it does. It's just a nice bat, but it revs up really good.
Yeah, when you rev it.
Yeah. Like if you actually
Oh, that's some
look
fat exhaust pipes.
Do you? That's why
That's
you
how it
guys
came.
never really look at it. Yeah,
I
this
didn't
is-
really look at it
No, but
before.
that-
Yeah, this is all how he had it.
Yeah.
Except I rebuilt all of this. I bought this.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's all the same. Literally, and it's been running. Bad water, gas ran through this. Whoever built this motor, they did a great job.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, you said the previous owner had work
Yeah.
done or something,
It has
right?
like bulletproof Apex.
Yeah.
seals. Like I put it through his paces, like just having it. 'Cause I
Yeah.
had to see, is it worth keeping?
Yeah, right.
And yeah, I tell you this, it started up. There was a couple of times I'm like, it wasn't starting, and like I drained the gas, and I'd be like rusty water.
That's probably what.
And
yeah, that's
then I would
guaranteed
flush it all out. I would take out the plugs. I would do mystery motor oil,
Yeah,
rotate
yeah,
them, just do all the proper stuff before I started again. And then it would start
Start right
first
back
crank.
up,
Yeah,
huh?
this
Yeah.
bomb will ever die, bro.